y'all, what's up and welcome back. So sorry for my voice first of all because I'm sick right now, but I went to the Dollar Tree and wanted to share with you guys what I got. We're definitely in a different location, as you can see behind me. This is the dresser thingy that's normally like way back behind me, but today I just felt like sitting on the floor and casually chatting with you guys. So that's what we're going to be doing. And I'm also doing laundry right now, so if you can hear that going in the background, sorry about that too. But if you want to see what I picked up this week, then just keep on watching. So the first couple things that I picked up are for home improvement. I bought a bigger roller pan and then a smaller like trim roller pan because I've got some housework that I'm doing. A house to me is never really completely finished. Like, I'm always doing something to it. So I'm always painting, always needing paint pans, and I'm probably gonna have to go start on that like right after this video. So if you don't hear from me again, that's what happened. I like died in a house fixing operation. That's what it was. Again, with the home improvement, I needed some brushes as well, so that goes along with that, and I think that's all I got for home improvement. I also found one of these color correcting concealers. They actually, I think, had the yellow one too, and I thought I bought it, but I can't find it now, so maybe I didn't, or maybe it'll totally show up in my trunk later on and I just overlooked it. But I plan on making a video with this because I'm very intrigued by these. I know that they make a green one and a peach one too, but they did not have that at my Dollar Tree. But I'll probably try to go to the one the next town over and see if they have it. And then if you guys don't already know, I do run my own little business on the side, and I like sending out little thank you cards and just decorating stuff. So I found these little stamps. This one says be happy on it, and this one has a whole bunch of little hearts, and I thought they were really sweet, and I think that when you get something like that, it just gives you a little extra happy feeling. So I like to make people feel good, and I don't know, there's just something about letting somebody know that you want to take the extra step to make them feel special. I don't know, I like doing that for people. And then every time that we take our dog to the groomers, they always put a little bandana around her neck, but she gets it filthy in no time. And I've never seen bandanas at the Dollar Tree. I'm sure they carry them like all the time, and I'm just overlooking them. But they had a pack that had like a pink and a darker purple, I think, and then they had a pack of this color. There's like a teal and then a, I don't know, what would you call that? To me, this is actually kind of a dark purple, but I think the other one was darker than this, and I think these are going to look so cute wrapped around my puppy. I picked up some Jergens soap for cleaning my makeup brushes because I've never actually cleaned my makeup brushes using bar soap. I've used like the Beauty Blender soap, the solid, but I've never used like just regular soap, and I wanted to give it a try because sometimes, like, this was $1 and there's 3 bars in here that will last me forever, but ones that you can buy at other places are definitely not $1 and it doesn't last no time, especially if you're cleaning your brushes like you probably should be cleaning your brushes, because even I don't clean them like as much as I should, but I know that there's plenty of other people who clean them less than I do, so I feel like I'm in a somewhat medium place on cleaning my brushes. And then I love getting the wipes from the Dollar Tree for my face. They work so well. One of them does your entire face, and there's 30 of them in a pack, so for $1 I never pass these up because you're always needing to wipe your face off. And if I don't use these, then of course I use baby wipes too, and I think you can actually get a better deal on those, but every now and then I like to actually use products for what they're designed for. I don't really buy face wipes all that often, but every now and then when I go to Dollar Tree, I do buy these. And then prom is coming up, and in order to keep everybody's hair out of my way when I'm doing their makeup, I bought these little clips. These just come in handy like when I'm doing my own hair too, and they always seem to come up missing, but at the Dollar Tree you can get 4 of them for $1, so I figure why not go ahead and get a couple more, because they'll probably be lost tomorrow anyways, and I mean they're $1, so why not? So I don't know if you guys know this or not, but the Dollar Tree is one of my absolute favorite places to buy socks for kids, and even myself. They have them 3 in a pack for $1. You can't even go to Walmart and find that deal. Like a little boy's pack of socks at Walmart, the cheapest ones that I've ever found is around $6, and there's like 10 pairs in them. But if I But if I spent $6 getting these, I would get 18 pairs, and they do last. They last a really long time. like I said, though, he's going to lose them anyways, so it really doesn't matter. But I would rather spend $1 for 3 of them and risk losing them than to spend, you know, all the other money at other stores and him still lose them. It just does not seem to make sense in my head. And then I also picked up some razors for the first time from Dollar Tree. My husband actually has Dollar Shave Club, and then I ordered a extra handle, but he gets the 4 blades a month, and his beard is just so intense that he needs all 4 blades. So I just decided to start buying these because I don't want to have to pay any more for Dollar Shave Club when I could just pay $1 and get these. And yeah. Oh, lo and behold, there's that other concealer. So this one is the yellow one. And then I picked up a pack of bobby pins because bobby pins are like the same thing as socks. They are always gone. Dollar Tree is also my favorite place to buy batteries. If you have kids, you know they go through batteries like crazy. All those little toys that make noise and just eat the batteries. It makes no sense to me to buy expensive batteries because they usually get bored with them. Sometimes I don't even have to change the batteries because by the time the battery dies, he's broken it anyway, so they get thrown away. But if I do have to change the batteries, then it's pretty much always going to be these little Sunbeam guys. They last a really long time, and for $1, that is a really good deal. My legs are falling asleep down here. And then the last thing that I bought is this floral moss because I want to try out a DIY very soon. Let me know if you guys want to see that, or I could just do it on my own. Whatevs. But that is everything that I got this trip to the Dollar Tree. So thank you guys so much for watching. If this is your first time visiting, then thank you for stopping by, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you want to see my face again, and if not, then thanks for stopping by anyways. I will catch you guys next time, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye, y'all.